Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshot of Snapchat without letting anybody know. So what you need to do is basically first of all get into your Play Store, search down for Snap Story application, and once you do that, make sure that it's updated if it's already installed in your mobile phone. And once it's installed, what you need to do is simply get back towards your Snapchat, and you see that once you open up any of the chat, so this is a chat that is going to appear up. So and if you take a screenshot from your mobile phone, they have been notified that you took a screenshot of that chat. But we can sure ignore that and we can take a screenshot of Snapchat without letting them know. So to do that, you need to do is just simply download that app and open it up in your mobile phone. And once you open it up, you see that there are several other options. So you need to get on Snap Plus. That means you would be able to use screenshot or use the screenshot option. And once you have selected that, just get into your Snapchat, get into it account and just tap on it. Once you will tap on that camera icon, the screenshot would be taken automatically without letting any other person know. So this is how you take a screenshot on Snapchat without letting any other person know. So this is it. I hope you guys like the video. If so, then like, comment, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel of How to Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Plus hit that bell icon to receive further more awesome videos like that. So see you next time. Take care. Bye.